Hello everyone! Finally, I want to share with you my newly renovated and extended workstation and bedroom as a virtual assistant. So mag-start muna tayo dito sa labas. As you can see, I chose my fave colors na beige, maple, white, cream, and black. Nagpa-customize din ako ng windows, screen, and also yung sliding door. And also, shout out to my dad for helping me accomplish my ideas and concept for my minimalist room. So this part nga guys is yung sliding door. During daytime nga, kapag papasok tayo, ang magwe-welcome sa atin ay si Hoshi the Corgi, my cutest baby boy. But it's already evening guys, and let's go inside. Welcome to my bed space. As you can see, very minimalist lang siya and aesthetic ang concept. By the way, konting story time lang kasi growing up, I don't have any kind of privilege naman. Kaya I always celebrate every small win and achievement kasi I know how to be grateful. Maraming nanghuhusga pero ang alam ko lang, hindi ako nabuhay sa hingi and all of this came from my hard-earned money as a VA. Again, this is my bedroom space and meron tayong plastic vines dyan para ma-feel natin ng nature effect. So this part naman guys is my storage section. So this is my mega box. Let's open. And then makikita natin yung clothes ko na super rare ko lang gamitin kasi always ako naka-work from home. Yung bed essentials ko. And also yung shoes ko and sandals na of course white or beige ang color lang yan. So, let's close na. And at the top of my mega box is makikita natin yung minimalist bag ko, Adidas cap. And also, this part naman is yung storage section ko for my K-pop album collections and yung K-pop merchandise na ni-collect ko from my college years. This part naman, makikita natin yung mga books na sealed pa kasi hindi ko pa nababasa. Wala pa akong time, super busy pa. And yung mga stocks ko. Okay, so this part naman is my gardening section. Sure. So gusto ko lang meron tayong nature effect sa tabi ng aking workstation. So this part na nga guys ang aking working space. And makikita natin yung aking Mi-Curve 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. And then yung keyboard ko, may ergonomic mouse. And also Huawei MatePad D15 na meron akong 512 gig of SSD and 8 gig of RAM, which is suitable for my administrative and social media management tasks. And also yung headset ko, yung dining section ko with my iPad. And also at the bottom makikita natin yung gym equipment ko for workout purposes. Actually, wala talaga akong plan na magpa-renovate this year pero super need na ayusin kasi every time I work may natulong tubig o di kaya yung carpet ko nababasa kasi pumapasok yung tubig. Also, yung dati kong room is maraming anay to the point na nasisira na yung ibang mga gamit. So, it's really a need more than a want as someone who works from home. So, before, my divider to which is yung other half is room ng younger brother ko. Kaya super extended and bigger space na talaga to for me, which is as a BA, sobrang important for me na may private space for productivity and para makapag-focus ako. So, let's talk about yung nagastos ko for the construction ng workstation and bedroom ko, which is umabot ng 100k from the labor, construction materials, customized windows, door screen, electrical wiring, work from home and bedroom essentials, and stuff like that. So I think that's it and I really hope na na-inspire ko kayo sa room tour mini vlog ko for today's video. Again, this is Emil and don't forget to follow me on my socials. See you in my next vlog.